Tips for driving in hilly areas. Be an early bird and avoid driving at night due to negligible visibility. Do honk at curves of the hilly slope to prevent collision. Keep your car tank full as it is hard to find a petrol pump nearby. Carry the necessary medicines and a first aid kit. Check weather report of the region and its terrain conditions. Do not drink and drive to avoid any mishap. Slow down your vehicles at steep road and curves of the slope. Always keep your car headlights on so to be visible to other vehicles. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.